Hello again, and welcome to my new playlist when we explore freedom redefined. So many of you have been living in very difficult situations, maybe with a partner who has some kind of addiction problem. And if you haven't watched the other playlists, I suggest you'd find them helpful to watch them. So basically, the route to freedom from feeling stuck is that freedom is not about your partner, whether it's he, she, whoever. Your freedom does not necessarily depend on your partner. Now, there would have been a time in my life, and somebody has said it to me, you're master of your own ship and captain of your own fate. And I thought, well, you don't know my partner. So, but I learned that freedom is not about him or your partner. It isn't about what he or she does or doesn't do. And that's something you have to learn. And it doesn't arrive with sobriety. Many of you will have already discovered that, where if your partner has had periods, short or longer periods of apparently sobriety, um, there can still be dry drunks. There can still be drunken behavior even without the alcohol. So it doesn't arrive with sobriety because you think, oh gosh, if everything would be wonderful if only he stopped drinking. It doesn't disappear with relapse either, because freedom begins when your inner state stops orbiting around someone else's behavior, when you are master of your own fate and captain of your own ship. And when your pace is no longer outsourced to somebody else and depending on how they are, um, that's when you return to yourself. And that's what this playlist is about. So stay with it. And freedom starts quietly, internally, and irrevocably. It does not depend on anyone else's behavior. So I'll see you in the next video when I shall talk about you can stay and still be free. You may think, oh, well, the only answer is to leave. But many people have found freedom by remaining in their alcoholic relationship. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.